of all, congratulations for the award, sir.
Thank you very much, ma'am. We are very proud to receive Times Healthcare top 3 multi-specialty hospitals in Hyderabad. I am Dr. Balaraju, Naidu, founder, managing director, and robotic orthopedic surgeon. We are happy to receive this award as we given excellent care to all our patients in robotic surgery, and we are glad to receive for our Dr. Ravi Kiran, who is a 5th generation general physician, and Dr. Raghu Teja, robotic and general laparoscopic surgeon, and Mr. Rajshekar Joshi, who is our vice president. We are very thankful for recognizing our hospital. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much for this award. Our efforts we have recognized and we feel so happy. I am a general laser and laparoscopic surgeon, robotic surgeon. So these type of awards push us like to put more efforts into our field. Definitely we'll try best from our side, and this is big day for me because in the afternoon I have received EPCC General Secretary Award from Telangana State in the medical and health wing. And the same day in the evening I'm getting this award, so I'm very happy to do this.
Double congratulations to you, sir.
Thank you so much.
I'm Dr. Kiran. It's happy to receive this award from the Times Group. It holds a lot of value for us. At the same time, it encourages us to be more active and more service for the patient. As a 5th generation general physician, they are proud to use technology and AI to improve the patient services. We at ONUS Robotic Hospital are committed to provide good care to the patients. Thank you.
I'm Rajshekar Joshi, Vice President at ONUS Robotic Hospital. So we are very happy to receive this Times Health Excellence Award on behalf of ONUS Robotic Hospitals. I appreciate all our doctors, especially founder and managing director Dr. Balaraju Naidu sir, Dr. Raghu Teja sir, general surgeon, and Dr. Ravi Kiran sir, general physician, for the excellent service which they are providing to all our patients. And this award definitely has given a more responsibility on us to perform in excel in more next year also.
Thank you
very much.